My approach to commercial real estate investing: focus on the long-term fundamentals of each property and plan as if you were investing for your children and your grandchildren. This is the underlying philosophy of generation income properties. We intend to identify and purchase net lease real estate that will generate consistent income for our investors, which will be stable enough to withstand market fluctuations. Our approach is to purchase investment-grade, credit-worthy, long-term assets where the high quality of the underlying real estate is the fundamental consideration. Our objective is to be conservative, to provide long-term, consistent, annual yields to our investors, and to view our investments as stable assets for today's market, as well as making the assets appealing for future tenancy. We think generationally, hence our name. Our target properties will be net lease, single-tenant office, retail, or industrial buildings, usually having longer than 10-year leases, and it's not uncommon for the tenants to have leases as long as 25 years with increasing rent over the lease term. We focus on properties in primary and coastal cities that will provide the best opportunity to have substantial increases in the real estate value while also providing a long-term, stable yield during our ownership. Over the past 12 years, I've developed an expertise in this area. I've co-written 2 books in the net lease investing, and I've been involved in over 1,000 net lease transactions. I guess you can say I've seen a lot and I know how to identify assets. I track the market extensively, and I know how to delineate between assets that fit our strategy and those that don't. I've already started and grown one successful real estate business from 2 people in 1 office to 10 offices. And in my nearly 13 years of business experience in the net lease industry, I've been a part of over $10 billion in net lease transactions. I'm confident that generation income properties will benefit from my experience, reputation, and connections in the single-tenant net lease industry. Whether we have the financing to buy 1 property or hundreds, our strategy in terms of identifying and purchasing properties for our portfolio remains the same, and it's completely scalable.